Japan is the culture that pays the most attention to nature, having a diet exclusively to celebrate nature. Nature Day in Japan, or Midori no Hi, is a national holiday. It celebrates very year on May 4 and is part of the famous Golden Week that runs from April 29 with Showa Days. It is an annual Japanese holiday celebration on April 29, honor the birthday of Emperor Showa. Memorial Day in the Constitution, or Kenpo Kenenbi, is a national holiday in Japan. It takes place in March 1st in celebration of the promulgation of the Japan's 1947 Constitution. May 4 Green Day, or Midori no Hi, as a national holiday in Japan stems from the celebration of the birthday of Emperor Showa. Children's Day, or Kodomo no Hi, is a Japanese national holiday that is a celebration annually on May 5 and is the final celebration of Golden Week. The Day of Nature in Japan and this philosophical background. The philosophy around this day is based on concepts typical of the Shinto religion, originating in Japan. Among these fundamental foundations, it stands out with great importance to the relationship of the human being with nature. It is intended that man live in harmony with nature. Proof of this is the way in which the Japanese interpret the concept of garden or park. With this exhibition on the Japanese concept of garden and the Shinto mentality of the relationship of the human being with the natural, we can get an idea of the importance that this day has in Japan. To show this, you only have to observe the grandest that always accompany practically all the temples and shrines in Japan. On the other hand, public parks usually have a very careful configuration. In many cases, they follow the steps set by Feng Shui or Zen philosophy.